Hello everyone, this is a 2014 Aprilia SR50R and it's my first time seeing it too. So it's just come off the transporter, bought it sight unseen, so I'm going to give it a quick little check out and see what we've got. So firstly, got a Leo Vince ZX exhaust. It's a bit rusty, but not in too bad shape. A lot of faded plastics, as you'd kind of expect. Probably been set outside for a while. Overall, not too bad. It's very faded. All the decals. Yeah, all the decals are starting to peel off. Seat's in good condition though. Very nice. So it's meant to have a flat battery, so yeah, we've got nothing on there. So we'll have to have a look, see what's happening with the battery. Yeah, let's get in the garage, eh? So she's in the garage. One thing I like to do, especially buying something sight unseen, so I've never ridden it, not sure what issues there is or isn't, so I'd like to give it a quick little check over. First thing first is the brakes. Obviously we need brakes, and I don't think the camera's going to get in there, but those pads are pretty well shot, so we need some new front pads. On these we have disc brakes at the back as well, and you can't quite see, but yeah, I think they're probably needing changed as well. Got a nice little cable tie here doing nothing. Let's have a look under the seat. It's pretty tidy in there. How much fuel do we have? Okay. Not sure how old that fuel is, but cross that bridge when we get to it. So obviously, as before, we have no battery. Now apparently it does kickstart. Turns over easy, so it's good. Just going to first check it, make sure it's got oil and coolant. Now to do that, we need to take this housing off, which is quite easy. It's got a screw here and a screw there. So let's go get a screwdriver. So with this cover now off, you can see we have a coolant reservoir, and this is for the two-stroke oil. Now, bit of a shake. Might be a bit hard to see on the camera, but yep, it's up to max. It's a good sign. And oil. Hard to see. Where's my torch? Ah, yeah. Plenty of two-stroke in there. Nice. All right, put that cover back on. So for the battery, some of the factory tools. Now luckily I had a spare battery lying around, so we'll pop this in, see what happens. Okay, only one thing to do, and that's see if we have power, and look at that, we do. No horn, but we have power. 14,522 kilometers this Aprilia is done. Now I bought this and they said it's done around 11,000. So we've somehow found an extra 3,500 kilometers. But that's what happens when you buy something sight unseen, I guess. So, oh well. I guess one thing left to do is find out how she goes. Let's wheel her outside. Come on. There we have it. Not the greatest cold start, but she's running. It's not smoky, which is good. So just feeling the brakes while we're coasting, and I can already tell the front are terrible, which I'm assuming is most likely due to those pads being very worn. But might need to just inspect. We've got fluid, plenty of fluid in both these. Brakes pretty important. Yeah, let's see if I can film and go up the road. Wow, there is no front brake. There is no front brake. Wow, it's quite dangerous. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll be releasing some more videos on this Aprilia, as well as another black Aprilia SR50R I've got. Next time we'll be tackling these front brake pads and also the rear. Also going to give gearbox a bit of an oil change. It's probably never had one. We'll check out the air filter, and also what I suspect is some upgraded roller weights and maybe a spring in there. I'm not sure. We'll open up and have a look. And we will be restoring all these plastics, shine them back up, rejuvenate them so they're not so faded, some new decals, a lot to happen. So if you want to subscribe, that'll be great. You can keep up the progress on it.